So yun, hinahanap namin yung tawag nila. Luglugan daw dito. May nagtitinda ng mga hinalas, iba't ibang pansit. Chef daw yun dito. Aling Sally, luglugan. So yun, nakita na namin Aling Sally. For zero. 1979.
But you got no destination, you're in the mud. As we welcome Mr. and Mrs. Latino! Wala ka tayong makeup line! Everybody wait!
We're trying the chili mango ice cream.
What does it smell?
Smells like mango and chili. A little. I think I'll try a little first.
That's not spicy. That's just number one.
Yeah. No.
Chili ice cream yun. Oo. Mangang?
Oh no.
Number one pa lang yan.
Number ano yan?
Number 3. Chef, try mo madami.
Oh, okay na to?
Oh, sige. Let's see your reaction. Ano?
I didn't even chew it a little, but the spiciness is in my throat.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. I'll try mine.